I was walking in the woods and I saw something that looked like dryer lint. When I looked more closely, I noticed bones in there, and I realized I was actually looking at an owl pellet. So I collected it and collected a few more. They are pretty incredible because they have entire skulls. I haven't seen that very often. It's pretty neat. As you can see that it's obviously a rodent-eating owl. I'll hold this one up for the camera so you can see it a little better. It's kind of some kind of rodent. I don't know which one yet. I haven't looked it up. This is a bird skull from some tiny bird. Again, can't tell exactly what bird it is or how many owls we have, but we can learn a few things about the local owls